Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today my topic is cracks problem solution in wall. What are the solutions of crack in the wall? Guys, this topic is very important, so watch this video till the end to learn something new, especially for cracks. How to avoid cracks in the wall. As you know, we have different types of cracks. You can see after completion of house construction, you can see the cracks on the wall after 2 months, after 3 months, after 1 year. But you will see a lot of cracks sometime in the junction between beam and column, sometime column and wall, and sometime you can see the cracks on the top of door and windows. Sometimes you can see the cracks at the middle of the wall. So there are a lot of cracks. So how you can avoid these cracks? So the solutions are at the start in construction time, not after finishing. Okay, so let's get started. What are the solution of the problem solution of cracks? Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, the first point is in crack solution. Okay, you can see sometimes the wall has more cracks, same like this. Sometimes you can see like this kind of cracks. Okay, so when the wall is unstraight, okay, so keep the wall straight from start to finish. Okay, so the wall should be straight. Okay, so unstraight wall will provide cracks. So this is the first main thing. So if the wall is unstraight, okay, so it will provide cracks. So this is the first solution of cracks. So use the level plumb for wall level. Okay, so it should be straight. If you make unstraight wall, okay, if the wall is unstraight, so it must be provide cracks after 2 months, 3 months, maybe after 1 year, but it will provide cracks. The second one is, guys, you can see the cracks between, as you can see, this is a column. Okay, and this side you can see this is the wall, and here this is the other wall. Okay, so here you will see the cracks at these points places. You will see the cracks. Okay, so let me use its bricks. Okay, so this is a column and these two are walls. So at the junction you will see the cracks. So how to avoid and what is the solution of these cracks? So at the start, as you can see, this is a column. So here make the surface of this column. So let me show you. It's isometric view. So here, guys, when you are providing here the wall, okay, so before starting the wall, make the surface of the column rough. Okay, so make it rough. Okay, so the second thing is, okay, roughness. So the surface of the wall should, the column should be rough. Okay, so with the hammer you can make roughness in the column. Okay, then after this roughness you should provide the cement mortar. Okay, which ratio should not be less than 1:1 or 1:2. So use the mortar for this roughness, and with this mortar then start the brick masonry. Okay, so it will never provide the cracks at the junction between beam and column. First make roughness, make it rough at surface, from where you will start its brick masonry. Okay, and also at this side you should provide this side also. Okay, so make it rough then do mortar with the ratio of 1:1 or 1:2, then you will never see cracks in the future, especially for wall. Okay, this is the second thing. The third one, guys, you can see cracks. You will see the cracks on the top of the, guys, you can see here on the top of door and windows. So here you will see the cracks, same like this. So these are cracks. So how to avoid these cracks? What are the solution for this? So provide lintel beam. So the lintel beam should be provided. Lintel beam. So if you can't support the lintel beam, so just provide 2 steel rods and do its thickness minimum 3 inches. Okay, and use 2 steel rods if you can't support the lintel beam. Okay, so this is economical. This method is economical when you are providing 2 or 3 2 steel rods, then do 3-inch thickness. So if you your budget is good, so use provide lintel beam. So then you will never see cracks on the top of door and windows. Okay, so here the first one is for so these cracks, so for cracks. The second one is cracks between wall and column. This is the solution. So make its surface rough. Okay, the third one for cracks at the top of door and window. Okay, guys, the topic is very important, so watch till the end. You will learn something new. Okay, the fourth point is especially how to avoid the cracks. Okay, so especially you can avoid the cracks and you will never see the cracks if there is space gap. Okay, so sometime, as you can see, this is a wall from the top. Okay, so here, guys, you can see these are bricks and this is the other brick. Then we are starting the, okay, so here between the bricks there is a gap. Okay, so the gap should be filled with mortar. So these gaps, guys, you can see, so the gaps should be filled with mortars and use minimum 1:4 mortar for brick masonry. Okay, then you will never see cracks. Okay, so fill the gaps between bricks. Okay, so if you keep the space, or if you keep the gap between bricks, and if you don't fill, so it will provide crack after some time. Okay, so fill the gaps between bricks, right? This is the other important point to avoid the cracks, and this is the solution. Okay, the other one is, guys, sometime for this especially we have the cracks in concrete block. Remember, guys, in concrete blocks you can find the solution, especially for the cracks between wall and column. So there you can use chicken mesh. You can use chicken mesh. You can use, what is the chicken mesh? You can see on the board. So this is chicken mesh. You can use here at these places like this chicken mesh. So you can provide on the surface where you know here it will provide the cracks, so use or provide here the chicken mesh, then you will never see cracks between the junction of column and wall. Okay, so guys, these are the solutions of cracks which I have discussed in front of you. Maybe this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.